Hi, friends, this is Robin. And first of all, I would like to introduce myself. Me and my wife moved from Toronto to Calgary. Just a brief introduction. Uh, on Canada Day in 2023, we absolutely love Calgary. Let me tell you right away. And later on, I will also make a video drawing comparisons between Toronto and Calgary. Certainly, there were things which we loved about Toronto as well. We have a family there as well, family and friends. So we love that. But we absolutely love Calgary as well. Calgary has a lot to offer. I will definitely make a special video on that for you, so stay tuned. Subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on such interesting content. First thing, please subscribe right now. Like and subscribe. And now, to give you an important update, friends, um, there are more reasons to love Calgary now. Why? Because we bought our very first home in Canada, and it's in Calgary, and it's close to incredibly beautiful Rocky Mountains, the Rockies. We absolutely love it. Canmore is just about an hour drive from here. Banff is 1.5 hours. We love it. Downtown is just 10 minutes drive. And within 4 to 5 minutes drive, we have literally hundreds of stores, like any big store you can imagine. We love it. It's for $400,000. It's 3-bedroom townhouse condo. So it's a townhouse style condo with a beautiful layout. It has 1.5 bathrooms, and an unfinished basement. There is one parking spot. There is no garage, but it doesn't bother us. Friends, you need to look at the overall picture, right? So when we look at the overall picture, it's incredible. We absolutely love it. It's close to downtown. There are always pros and cons with anything in life, right? And with this price, $400,000, let me tell you, I don't think we definitely, I can say that we wouldn't be able to get such beautiful home for this price, $400,000 in a city like Toronto or Vancouver. It was just impossible. And here it was possible, and we got it. And I can't wait to show you our beautiful sweet home. Before going ahead, I also wanted to share the condo fee is about $500 of this home, and the condo fee covers the exterior maintenance. They cut the grass in the backyard. We have a small but very cute backyard, which we love. And they cut the grass as well. They take care of the snow. We don't need to worry about any of that. They take care of the water. Water is included in the condo fee and the sewer. Yeah, it's a fairly maintained complex and a beautiful neighborhood, and an incredible location, as I mentioned earlier. So now, without much ado, I would like to show you our beautiful home. I hope you find it beautiful. We love it. So please subscribe to this channel and subscribe to Coconut Bites and enjoy the video.